what is the product roadmap, how we can create the product around this technology or around these skills. So as also Jaideep was also saying that you have to start small and then go shoot for the star or shoot for the moon. So this is the product roadmap process you need to follow, even in the preparation as well. So basically, to create a product, you need to come up with a concept. How you will come up with a concept? Basically, you can take interview of user, you can take a business problem, you can take a real life problem, and you can test that problem around with the users or with the stakeholders. For example, way back in the past, Elon Musk took a problem that there should be a financial medium to transfer money in a digital sense. And then they created a PayPal, and eventually Paytm is following the same path in India. So basically, you have to take a concept, you have to take a problem, and you have to test around it. After testing or before building the solution, you should do the analysis whether this test is or whether this solution is feasible enough to go into the market or not. Then you have to definitely check the solution with the help of interviews as well as the analysis. Is it done? No. You have to position your product in the market. So for example, Google has always positioned this product like Google Karo. It's become a verb. Same with Paytm. Paytm also positioned its product like Paytm Karo. Again, it is becoming a verb. So you have to position your product in the market, that your product is selling something great. And then you start selling something. And while you do all these things, after doing all these things, you will build a sustainable product and a sustainable business over the product. So this is the pathway you need to follow to create a product and to sell the product and services in the market by following this product roadmap. But before moving forward, I would like to know from your points, which is your favorite product? And why do you like their product? Any product, if you want to tell me. Google. Okay, one is saying Google. All-time favorite. I own also. Vishal is saying Google. Any other? I'd really appreciate if you tell me your favorite product. Ashish is saying about the YouTube, Spotify, Ghana.com, Myntra, Netflix, our best time pass, Netflix, Brave browser. Again, this is a great product. Okay, fine. Swiggy, Karthik is saying Swiggy, and many other. So these are the product. Basically, you are remembering it because you are using it on the daily basis. You cannot imagine your life without having those products around yourself. For example, Google. Just imagine for a couple of days, Google disappeared. What will be your life? How will you live? This is nearly impossible to imagine our life without Google. Okay. So for example, Netflix, for some person, Netflix is a real best friend or BFF in the weekends. So this is the impact you want to create as a product manager while following a path or building a product around this path. Now, this is the path I will tell you, but you don't have to follow the entire path, and you don't have to think that I have to build a Tesla-like car in a single version or the first version. So there is a concept called minimum viable product. You really need to think down and prioritize your all features. What are the different features we need to keep it, and what are the different features we need to remove in the very first version? Basically, as the word suggests, it should be minimum and viable, obviously, product. That means it should have the minimum feature to create an impact in the market or to solve the problem of the user. And while you build a minimum viable product, you have to continuously iteratively test your product against your belief or against your existing product. While you test, you will come up with more feedback from the market or from the user or from even the critics. And then you will build another version that is called extended MVP. That means the version second. And then you will create a viable product. And the entire cycle will run into the loop. So this is the product management roadmap process you have to follow to create the sustainable and the impactful product around the globe. For example, Swiggy. One of Karthik has said that Swiggy is his favorite product. So just compare the first version and right now how Swiggy is doing. It is completely revamped. The experience is completely revamped at all. Same with Google, same with Netflix, same with Facebook even, and same with Instagram. We all love to use Instagram a lot. Instagram recently released a new feature called Reels. But way back when Instagram was, it was more about the photographs. And suddenly story, Reels, snaps, and a lot of things have come up. So that's how they evolve. They first build the MVP product, then extended MVP, and then the various version of product according to the user feedback. So you also have to follow this process while in your preparation as well. You have to learn the key skills and then add on skills and then multiple skills over those skills.